Hi, my name is Michael Flickinger, and I'd like to welcome you to the video on how to build a website. And we're going to be building a website using a content management system. Now, exactly what is a content management system? Basically, it's a web-based software that has the ability to edit your website by any computer in the world. So you're not having to have technical software that you buy and purchase and upload it onto a computer. It's because it's a web-based. It has an administration page that you just log into, put your password in, and you're able to go up into the website. It's very user-friendly, so you have the ability to edit your website without having a lot of technical knowledge. If you're able to edit a Facebook page, or if you've used a word processor before, more than likely you can run content management systems. And most importantly is you don't have to have a lot of knowledge. You don't have to have a lot of HTML code that you used to have to know in the past. Now, what kind of CMS systems are there? There's different softwares or different CMSs, and the first one being is one called Joomla. Another one's called Drupal, WordPress, PHP, Nuke, Mumbo, and other kinds. Now, those ones I just listed are pretty well an open source software, so they're free and they work pretty good. I'm going to talk about one in particular right now. I'm going to talk about a WordPress. And why I've picked WordPress is it's really easy for beginners. It's really user friendly. And the other thing I like about it is because it is an open source software, there's a lot of free apps available. I mean, if you want to have a shopping cart on your website, you'll probably find a free app to put a shopping cart on. And so it's very, very user friendly. And the other thing I like about WordPress is it's search engine friendly as well. And basically, when you first hear WordPress, you think of it as a blog, that you're like, well, I don't want a blogging website. Well, it's more than that. You can actually build a complete website using WordPress. But don't forget that search engines are looking for fresh content. And how you can keep search engines up to date with your website or up to date with the information is by using a blog. Now, the blog doesn't have to be the initial first page. It can be a few pages down. But I do encourage you to think about, when you build a website, is to use a blog, because if you are using a blog, Google likes that because they think that you are constantly giving up-to-date information. And a lot of times, once it's all set up, as soon as you make a blog, within a few minutes or a few hours, Google grabs a hold of that information right away because it is in a blog format. So I can't overemphasize having something that's search engine friendly, and WordPress does that. The other thing is most servers already have WordPress installed. They have a simple script that you just have to click a few buttons, and voila, you have a WordPress installed onto your website. And just like I mentioned that it's easy to keep your website fresh is with a WordPress software. And the other thing is you can change the website anytime you want, the look of it, through themes. So these are a few things that I like about WordPress. Now, I'd love to talk more about it, but you know, there's a video course that I really think is a great thing to have. You know, it's one thing to read manuals about how to do something, but I love to be able to just see how to do it. Is to find a video, and I watch a video and it says basically do this, this, and this. And I can pause the video and I can do that. So I do invite you to go to the how to build a website.info. There you can see a couple of video tutorials to see how it all works. My name is Michael Flickinger. I do appreciate your time, and I hope you visit our website, howtobuildawebsite.info.